Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be looking at some Bible quotes. Alright, let's get started.
Psalm chapter 133 verse 1. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 3. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. First letter to Corinthians chapter 1 verse 10. I appeal to you, brothers, that all of you agree, and that there be no divisions among you. Colossians chapter 3 verse 14. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Romans chapter 12 verse 16. Live in harmony with one another. Philippians chapter 2 verse 2. Be of the same mind, having the same love, being in full accord and of one mind. First letter to Peter chapter 3 verse 8. Finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 13. Until we all reach unity in the faith and in the knowledge of the Son of God.
May your day be filled with joy, peace, and abundant blessings. Stay positive and embrace the goodness around you. Thank you for watching.